All right, so after wire wheeling this down, there is a severe amount of pinholes, as you can see, all through here, all the way to the middle of the belly pan, inside, a couple up here. So what we're gonna do, what I'm thinking is we're gonna do the Bondo mix as a filler, and we're gonna skim the top to seal it from the bottom. And then after that cures and we sand it down a little bit on the outside, we'll take the Pro 15 tank sealer and we're gonna run, I want to say 2 quarts in the tank. Now they say that a 1 quart can will do a 25 gallon tank. Myself, being as I've used it before on a 25 gallon tank, yeah, it covers the bottom, but it doesn't necessarily cover the side surfaces. So we're gonna probably put a quart in, slosh it around, and then add another half quart in there, just for saving grace. And we're gonna roll it, actually roll the tank to make sure this thing is completely covered, because of how the pinholes are on this. And for those of you that aren't caught up with this, this is a 25 gallon fuel tank, which is out of the 1968 Slickcraft. And that boat's running a 1969 Chevy 307 2-block main motor with 4-barrel carb, and of course the outdrive. Now I got this boat up and running last year after